Hello there and welcome to Inktober Day 14. Yesterday's prompt was Horizon and today it is Rome. So I actually got a comment today asking if my art falls under Inktober. I actually thought that was a good question because you might have noticed that I use markers in my Inktober challenges, and sometimes I use color pencils, and I also work digitally. And I guess for me, it just depends on what you want your Inktober journey to look like. So for me, I guess I just want to create every day, so it doesn't matter what I use. That's just my challenge to myself, is to create daily artworks, whether I'm doing it with crayons or whatever it is. So I guess I'm not taking it that seriously with the whole it has to be with ink only. So I guess that's just what I think Inktober is for me. I also don't take my sketches in my sketchbook too seriously. So you might see smudges, you might see bleed through. It's all part of the process. It's just art. It's not that serious. Anyways, let me know what you think Inktober is all about, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!